Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have the Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics palette and the lip gloss. I am super excited, so let's get started. So I have unboxed it. It is the same as under the packaging. I am really into purple, it's my favorite color, so the packaging is already like this. And this is... And this is the pretty inside. They're all matte. I don't mind an all matte palette, but I am really a sucker for a sparkle. So it's something that I miss in the palette, but it is how it is. On the back are all the colors names that are in the palette. So it's not inside, but at the back. Because it's summer, I am gravitating more to these colors, the pink and the purple and the orange. This is more the natural side. Maybe I'm going to use this one or the white one. Oh, sorry. The names of the colors are also inside the palette. I'm going for the 2 shots for good luck. Yeah, 2 shots of good luck. And I am placing that in my inner corner. As a base, I already applied the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. That is one of my favorite eyeshadow bases, and you can wear it also as a eyeshadow. There is a lot of kick up in the pan. I don't mind it that much. There are people who do, but I'm not one of them. And sorry if you see me sweating or anything, but it's so warm in here. The humidity is very high here, so and I am a person who can't stand that, so I'm sweating all the time. That's my summer. Because we have an only matte palette, I want to brighten up that inner portion of my eye. And the pigmentation is really there, so you don't have to work a lot for color payoff. This is a white, little bit grayish color, but it's stunning and it is really noticeable. Then I'm moving on to super famous Clips color. That is that bright pink color. Oh yeah, that's bright. Ooh, I like it. And just stamp it on. Not blend yet, just stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay, then I'm going back into 2 shots for good luck and sweep that over that pink color. Uncanny is a really dark purple color, not that much, and I'm still using that same brush, and I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner just to give it some depth. Blend it in that pink. Okay, this is a purple that is turning a little bit grayish, so it is a cool toned purple. And as I said before, I like a good purple because it is my favorite color, but this one I'm not so sure. Okay, if we pump up that pigmentation on that spot, then it's a little bit nicer, just to have a little bit more of pigment. And don't get me wrong, it is really pigmented, so you don't need much. And then I'm going back in with that pink because I don't want to get that color be lost in this process, because it is a very heavy color purple. I'm taking that white and scratch it along the edge right here to blend everything together. And because we have a cool tone purple and we are sweeping over with that white, it's going to turn even more grayer than it was in the beginning. So we have no sparkle, but we have that lighter inner corner, so it's more popping out. We've got a pink and a purple. I really like the combination of this. We're not there yet because we need a little bit of more vavavoom. So I did my base. I am ready to do the under eye part. So I'm dipping in with that color Horse Girl KJ. That's that pretty orange color. And I am just sweeping that underneath the lash line. And this is a wild thing to do for me because I never do this. Okay, and watch out that the orange and the purple doesn't go together because it's going to get brown and muddy. A blending brush and blend it out. Okay, and people, orange is not my favorite color at all. I don't like orange, but I thought do something different today. Get the orange. It is highly pigmented. It's nice, but not as bright as I was thinking it's going to be. What I wanted to do, because I really miss a sparkle. Although the look is great and gorgeous, I really love that whiteness in the inner corner and the pink and the purples, but I still am craving for a sparkle. So only in the inner corner, not saying much. And I am using a Kiko eyeshadow for this. I'm not using lashes today. I'm just doing it with my own lash. And I'm using a blush by Max Factor, the Face Finity blush in. There is no coat anymore because I ripped it off. Sorry for that, but it's a pink with a golden shimmer, so it looks like the orgasm a little bit. So we had the eyeshadow palette. Next up is the lip gloss. Gloss Le Vivre. And then this is the packaging. It is also with lavender purple, and it's, yeah, that's just stunning. Hear that? Oh, so nice. Oh, it smells like mint. Okay, this is the color I'm Almost Dead. I don't know. I don't know about the color on its own. I think it needs a lipstick underneath it. It just looks like I don't have a lip anymore. But the base of this lip gloss and the scent of mint is really nice. Yeah, okay. For me, that's something I don't like about lip glosses, people. This. You see? That's something I very much dislike about a lip gloss. And this one is doing it wild. The lip gloss is a no for me. Just because of this. When I'm talking to somebody, it's going to be very distracted by the weirdness going on my lip, and that is something that's not pretty. I really like the eyeshadow palette. It is nicely pigmented. Yes, it has Kick Up in the Pan. It is stunning on my eyes. It really gives that nice open eye now, but that's more the technique than the eyeshadow. But the pigmentation is there, especially of that white color. That's something that is hard to achieve because not all white colors can be there. This one does what it needs to do. The pink one is stunning, the purple one is stunning, and the orange one, I thought it would be a little bit brighter than that it came out, but I really like that too. Yeah, but the lip gloss is a no for me. I still want to buy those 3 lip crayons to review that. And if you like that, please leave a message down below in the comments. Like, I want you to do that. Next to that, Kylie is launching a new mini collection in collaboration with Stacy. I am super excited for that mini collection, so I want to order it. And if you like a review about that, please leave a message down below with also I want that, and then I will put a review. This was the review / first impression for today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!